Hey guys, what up? We just pulled up to the house and I got Arturo inside. He is cutting the concrete for the conduit for our island electricity. Watch out, Cheeto. So let's go take a look. ¿Cómo está?
So the next day we came in and we went ahead and added these can lights in the kitchen so that we would be able to see all the work we were going to do on the island. This took us about an hour since we already had the electrician leave a junction box up in the attic ready to go. All we had to do was cut the holes and put the wiring through and then just hook it all up to the junction box after.
Alright guys, so we've got our concrete drill bit here, and then we've got our screw, another drill here. I marked it off with tape so I know how deep I need to go. Alright guys, a quick and easy way to anchor something to concrete are these Tapcon screws. And I'm about to install one of these into the concrete, and it just, no anchors, nothing, you just screw it directly into the concrete. We're level, we got our box in and our whip, and we are going to mark our outlet box here, and we are going to install our outlet USB / GFI, whatever. So our countertop is going to be 36 inches, it's going to come out. So we are going to do the outlet right in the middle of that at 18, right here. 18. That. 18, and then we're gonna go 6 inches down. Or no, that's too much, huh?
Probably.
Yeah, we'll do the bottom of the box at 6 inches right there.
Say again?
Fits. Alright guys, let's see if it fits.
Nope.
Nope. You have to shave some off. Now we can snap the other end of our whip, fish our wires through, and then we just pop this into the box. Boom. And we've got safe box, safe wire, so nothing will bother this. The trash can's coming in and out. And we've got our wires ready here for the outlet. That is it for today. That's all we're gonna do. We got the island in. We got the rest of these lights in up here. We got the box and the outlet box for the one of the new outlets here. We got to run another one tomorrow. So we'll see you guys. All right, guys, what is up? We are back. We are going to be finishing running the conduit through the island for the other outlet on the other side, and then we're going to connect the wiring and try it out, put the GFIs in, and anchor this to the 2x4s that we anchored into the concrete. So that's what we're going to try to get done today. Let's go ahead and get into it. We are using these metal whips. These go directly, has the connectors all ready to go directly into the box, and the wiring is protected from damage from anything. Even though this is going to be under the counter, I'm going to anchor it right here where you really won't be able to access it. We just want to make sure that nothing will damage it. So I got a 12-foot one here. We're going to connect it to this outlet and then run it to the other side. Alright guys, so I had to take the connector that goes into the outlet off, and the way that I did that was just you unscrew to the left like a regular anything. We'll run it through here and then we'll put it back on there. Got our island wiring done, and we attached it to the studs that we anchored into the concrete. We put the trash can back. So here's what it looks like after. We just need to pick up a cover for that box, but it goes from conduit going under the concrete over to the island to that box. And then from that, we used an 8-foot whip right here to this outlet box, and then another 12-foot whip around outlet. And we've got our USB plug-ins on each side. And as you can see, wiring is correct. We can plug in 2 devices and 2 USB plugins, so that's pretty cool. And then our trash can. That's it. So there you have it, guys. That's ready. Gas is getting turned on. Tomorrow we're getting gas on, and after that's done, we're gonna cut out some of this old drywall. Originally we're gonna keep it, but I think we're gonna cut that out, put these cabinets in, and keep going with the kitchen. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Thanks for following along on the house project. Got my little helper over here, and we'll see you guys next week. If you like that video, hit that like, guys, that subscribe. I really appreciate it. It's free and it helps the channel grow. It helps us be able to make more videos, guys. It lets YouTube know that you guys like the videos, that you guys are engaging with it. So thank you guys again for watching, for subscribing, everybody that subscribed. I really appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys next week.